guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Jovial Jyoti and this is me, Jyoti Sharma.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry.
And it's a very happy Diwali. So happy Diwali everyone, and I really wish and I pray for everyone that this Diwali brings all of us that inner peace, that happiness, everyone's family stay happy and healthy. And yeah, I just wish good things for everyone. So happy Diwali. And I really hope that it's a happy Diwali for me also, because I don't know, since yesterday night, I'm feeling that, what we say, homesick feeling, that oh god, I miss my home and all that stuff, because festival are the time when I feel so much homesick. And right now I cannot go back home also, because I have to go after few days also. So yeah, and for us it's like Diwali, Chhat, and like this whole week is a festival for us. So yeah, I am kind of missing home, but okay, this is what adulting is all about. You gotta do what you gotta do. So it's Diwali. I really don't know what plans I have. Like, I'm planning that I'm go out or do something chill, shopping and all, but I really don't know. I just don't know. I have to wait and let's see how the Diwali unfolds. So let's get started. All set and done, and now we are going for some shopping, like to hang out. Like, me and Asha will be going and we'll be just chilling. And this is my today's look. I'll show you my outfit. I have shot some reels, so you can just check it out on my Instagram. But yeah, I'm feeling cute today. Finally, after ages, like, I put on makeup. So we reached what this place? Shivaji Nagar and Commercial Street, and I have not spent so Asha has even started shopping, and I am still figuring out, because I really don't know what to buy. I just came like that. How much money you have spent till now?
2 plus maybe, or 3.
3K. And I'm still on zero. So this girl, literally, she went to each and every shop and she's like, let's just see. And this was the shop, where I shopped from. Like, this is a very cute shop. I think everyone who is visiting Shivaji Nagar should visit the shop. Here, it's like me and Asha shopping, and people are coming in couples and stuff, and we are each other couple. And gladly, I have opened my khata, and we went to this cute shop where I am like 700 rupees down. Let's see how much I'm gonna spend more.
Paneer fried rice.
Yeah.
Paneer fried rice, mushroom noodles, paneer chili.
What else you ordered? Say, you're saying something, right?
No. After roaming on the streets for like more than an hour, and suddenly we realized that we left our helmet in a shop, in the first shop where we shopped. And then I saw a couple having that helmet, and I was like, damn, where is our helmet? Then we rushed to that shop, and yeah, we found that they kept it. So we just told them to keep it, because our bike is parked there. So while leaving, we'll take it. And now we had nariyal pani, and now we landed to a chaat shop or something like that, where we just want to eat. I mean, we are so hungry, so we ordered mushroom noodles, fried rice, and paneer chili.
So this is the whole thing. Asha ate alone, and now she has planned to digest it with soda water because you want to eat more, right? I'll be trying hers, then only I'll order for myself. You want?
So it's almost 3:30 or 4, I guess, and we are done with this part of the shopping. And oh my god, we were so fortunate. So in the morning when we came, we parked the bike in a no parking zone, but there was a guy who said that don't park here, and now we saw that thing. And where literally they lifted everyone's bike and they took it, and I was like, shit, this is not my bike also. How will I call my dad and all? So, and this beautiful girl, she left the key in the bike and we went for shopping. And then when we came back, we finally saw that key is still there. But yeah, it was still a good day. Now we are going for a next stop. And what's that stop is? Chickpet. Nahi pata, we'll just Google it now. So, see ya.
So we came back and yeah, I just tied my hair because ouch, it was very painful. And oh my god, I'm so tired. I literally got some shoe bites also because I wore new shoes. And for that, it was a quite good day. Now we have got some flowers, sweets and fruits. Now we'll do some chota sa our mini Diwali puja. And yeah, I have shopped a lot of stuff that I'll show you. I think I'll probably make a reel out of it. What are the stuff that I've got? It's a cute, first I need to calculate. I think I have shopped too much. Today I think I have spent quite a lot. I need to calculate because I have this thing where I account things like what are the expenditures and stuff. So you can see, right? These lot of stuff. So I just need to see. I got some jewelries also that I'm gonna show you. Okay, just let me change and get this over with, and then we'll show you.
We just came for the fruit and sweet shopping because we're gonna do the Lakshmi Puja. So for that only. What are these? These are grapes. We just finished our final Diwali Puja. I mean, I thought that we'll have, but I thought, we were so tired after coming back that we'd leave and all. But I called my parents and they were like, yeah, the timing is there, you can do. So we just came back, she cleaned all the stuff, and then around 7 or something, we went to the market to buy diyas, to sweets, fruits. We literally brought it right now, and we did the puja. So I'll just show you a cute little setup, puja setup. So this is where we did the puja. So me and Asha, we both lit up 5 diyas each of in our name. And we thought now we are an independent girl, so we should definitely do that to welcome Lakshmi in our life.
Lakshmi,
what did you say?
She's already there. She just needs to hug us.
Yeah, that's what, we are praying to Goddess Lakshmi that she should come in our life. So she's already there, but we want her to, be all around us, right?
Yeah.
Now we'll go out and we'll have some food because it's Diwali and it's we should go out.
We are hungry, basically.
Yeah, we are very hungry.
We are on shopping today.
So we're just gonna go and eat.
And Diwali is finally over. Yesterday was quite fun day. I mean, did all this stuff came back and spoke to my parents, called my nana, that's a mandate call. And actually I was really tired, and I was like having some stuff, not feeling. I thought let's just skip the part and all, but I thought puja is a mandate thing, that I should do. Karke Lakshmi puja is a mandate, and I thought like this time being an independent person doing everything on your own, I should do it. So like me and Asha, we did the puja, and after that we felt so good. I mean, I called my parents and I'm like, yeah, first time doing the Lakshmi puja with my own, and they were quite happy. So they're like good and all. So today also is an off, the next day after Diwali, because just wanted to chill, take some time, decide, because now I have like good plans. And today is like a hangout day. We're planning to go out to explore some new places. And yeah, because from tomorrow onwards, any which way we have to go and work. And yeah, I mean, I think it was a good day. In the end, everything fall in line. So it was a good day. There were a few things that holded me back. I mean, again, I have this thing, I'll keep on rewinding the same old tape, thinking why not this, that. And it's okay, that's life. I'm figuring out that how to leave that back and go up, because any which way those things are not coming back, and I'm not gonna go to that place again. Maybe that place don't want me, so it's okay. And I hope you guys follow me on Instagram, because there's so many stuff that I post on Instagram. So link will be in description. You can go, you can check out my Insta page. Like recently one of my reel got good views, so I'm kind of happy for that. And yeah, मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में कुछ नई चीजों के साथ. Till then, stay home, stay safe, be happy, do everything that's make you happy until it's not hurting someone. And if your parents are happy, doesn't matter rest who is not. Simple as that. Take care.